Welcome back to Rob's Builds.
Welcome back, guys. Today we're going to be building the Technic Batmobile from the upcoming The Batman movie. Let's get started. have it, folks, the finished product. The Batmobile from the upcoming The Batman movie. Now, this was really fun, really cool, a little technical, a little bit hard, but it's got some cool features. Now, if you press this little button down, I don't know if you can see it, but the engine lights up. And as you move it back and forth, the pistons move up and down. That's really cool. I also like that if you put up the hood here, open the door, and I don't know if you can see, but if you press the throttle, you can see that the engine lights up. Now that's really cool how they added 2 light bricks to this Technic Batmobile, and it was really cool and really, really fun. So I hope you enjoyed this little video. Don't forget to subscribe. Let me know what you think, and I'll catch you later.